Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, I always come back from my meetings, my Stampin' Up meetings, so on fire because there's just so many great girls that are there and I have such a fun time. And we always do a swap. And so if you want to participate in that swap, we get to do that and stuff like that. So it's really cool and it's just for the team members. So let me show you. This was my swap that I did. And I didn't really do a video because I was just so busy and wasn't able to do it. But I made this one, and I also have made one very similar with this same set. But it's the bleaching technique. So I embossed this on some melon. Oh no, what's it called? Oh, what was it called? Hold on, I'm going to find out what the name of that was. It was something Mango Melody. That's what it's called. And then I bleached her dress and her hat and then embossed that as well. And then I did some splatters so it looks like she's dancing in the rain. So this was my swap. And you guys, every month I'm just like so humbled by everybody's swaps because they are just amazing. So unfortunately, we don't put our names on the backs of our cards anymore. So we don't know exactly. We have, let me refocus here. Some people put it on like with a sticky note or something. So if they do, I'm going to tell you who did those. But this one is mine. So let me go ahead and show you. I had swapped with 10 people. And we'll talk about this mystery host code, you guys. If you're going to order, make sure you use this mystery host code, and it is good. Let me write this on here too. From today, so I'm going to write it right on here. So it's good from April 1st to the 15th. Okay. So use that code, and anybody who purchases something is going to have a chance to be the mystery host. And you guys, I did a mystery host for the last week of celebration, and I drew the winner today. And the winner was Sandra, and she is a beauty. And you guys, Sandra is going to be able to choose just from 1 week, and this one's going to be 2 weeks long. Hopefully it goes well. She's able to choose $80.10 worth of free stuff. And then she's also able, if she chooses, to get one item at 50% off. And then all she has to do is pay for the taxes and shipping for that 50% off item. And that's it. So, but if she chooses not to, then she gets to be the hostess. And that is awesome. So congratulations, Sandra. She's already been notified and she's really excited. And the only qualifications is you have to, all the orders combined have to reach $150. And that's when you start getting some rewards back. So, all right, enough about that. I just wanted to tell you about that because it's there. Let's get on to the other girls' swaps. So, super cute. We were doing like spring, and there were some great cards. And look at this. This is a little treat. We call this a 3D item. And it's using that nice gingham paper. And look at how adorable that little bunny is. There's another one in here with the bunny, and it's super cute as well. And then it just says Easter greetings on there. It's got some dot ribbon and some of this nice little ribbon as well with the punch. So cute. How cute would that be to give to like one of your friends or something just for Easter? So I thought that was cute. I'm going to keep my swaps right there. And then look at this one. This is a great little fold. It's got that cute little ducky with a rain hat. Again, there's that Easter greetings, you guys. Look at the used 2 different ways. We've got some little flowers here. And then when you open it up, we've got the little duckies. But look at this fold. And again, this person also used the gingham. This is by Marie Colby. So very cute, Marie. This one, this is super cute. And I see this, and that's that distinctive stamping. So you guys, I know that the April paper pumpkin, it's not going to be these flowers, but it's going to be the distinctive stamping. So see how nice, and it's like realistic kind of with the stamps. It's going to have that same type of textured stamp in the April paper pumpkin. So if you're not signed up for the April paper pumpkin, make sure you do. And I'll put all the links down below if you wanted to order anything you see here, or if you wanted to get that paper pumpkin for April, I'll put that link. It's $19.95, you guys. Next month you're going to get a stamp that has this kind of distinctive stamping, and you're going to get to be able to make 9 cards. So where can you get 9 cards for 20 bucks? I mean, I don't know. So I know I'm going to get mine. So if you want to get yours, make sure you sign up before the 10th of April. So you have 9 more full days to do that. But look at this. This one was done by Carrie. I'm not going to attempt her last name, but this is the Painted Seasons. And she used Highland Heather and Pool Party. And look at that. And soft sea foam for that leaves there. Very nice. So pretty. Oh, Carrie, amazing. Now, I should have saved this one for last because this was the one that I loved the most. This one was super cute. This is actually the one that I put my vote in for. So we always vote kind of anonymously which card you like the best, and this is the one I chose. Unfortunately, I don't have any stickers or anything in here telling me who did it, but it was my favorite, and it was beautiful, don't you think? I loved the layered ovals, the stitched ovals, and there's embossing, glitter paper, foil paper. There's little diamonds on here, little embossed butterfly. I don't know who did this. I see one of my friends very much in this card, but I'm not going to say her name because I really don't know if she was the one who did it. But it is beautiful, and this is the one I chose as my favorite. However, look at this one. That's so pretty with the crackle back there. All these little flowers with some little dazzling diamonds in there, and the little blue jay. Again, this one doesn't have a name, but it is a beautiful card. This one is Easter Blessings. Look at the little chocolate bunny poking out. And this little ribbon is so pretty. And look at that. Oh, look at little cottontail there sitting on a stump. Super pretty. And then this one is by my upline, Lori. And there's a different Easter Blessings right there. So remember this little guy? Look at this. It was put on one of those muslin bags. How cute, and colored in. And this one is by Sandy. And she put all of her colors and everything, a whole little recipe. Oh my goodness, that's not her best work, she said. I can only imagine her best work because this is adorable. Look at that little treat sack. Isn't that so cute? This one's a fun one. This one says, if flowers were hugs, I'd send you 1,000. So very cute. And it's got that stitched designer series paper. She's got some beautiful little flowers on there. She's got some embossing. And this one is by Linda Rodenberg. Very pretty. Linda, I didn't see you at the meeting tonight, so you were missed by me. I don't know if you were there, but I don't think I saw you. And then this is the other one. Now this girl comes with that same girl here. I love this set. It's just so pretty. And then look at that. She's just so elegant. And it says, life looks beautiful on you. She's got some designer series paper. And then look at the inside of the card too. So pretty. Don't know who it was by, but you guys, how cute are all these? Let me know which one's your favorite. I think they're all just so pretty. So, alrighty. Well, if you guys like to look at the swaps that I do, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed so you can see, because if I choose one of these cards that I like, I'm going to make it. So, we were working on little boxes like this, so be on the lookout, because I think I'm going to show you how to do some boxes this week. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful April. I made it through the whole entire April 1st without any April Fools. I hope you did too. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.